Welcome to Last Word Kung Fu channel. This is Sifu JJ. Can't wait to present you new lesson, the snake Kung Fu. In this lesson, we present you three parts. The first part, leopard Kung Fu against snake Kung Fu. The two fastest animal Kung Fu style. Who gonna win? Let's find out. The second part, real application of snake Kung Fu. The last part, tutorial step by step, the snake Kung Fu. You don't want to miss any part of this. Let's go.
So for example, if somebody tries to punch you to block, and then you quickly, it's like one move, you go 1, 2, and you hit right here, so right here on the arm. So how do you feel? See, when you push down on it, it weakens the arm, and right after, one more time, when you go here, you quickly hit them in the neck with your snake hand.
1, 2, 3, Alright, so the second technique for snake Kung Fu is still the hitting body point. So let's say this part, whatever he threw, you block, right? So you gotta go boom, kick the side. And after, I'm looking for the weak spot right here. How you feel? Right, okay. So that's the spot I'm looking for, finger point, and right the weak spot. And after that, you see my hand? Looking for another weak spot, either this side. So that's a very dangerous spot. It's very weak. You can't really knock out in a second. Or this part, side of your head, or even more, you can do the eye. snake kung fu step by step tutorial. Follow me now. Last move from last lesson. Movement number 1, stand up, left to right. To make a circle, 1, 2, left to right. And attack. And feet together, right, circle, 1, 2, and step your right, and attack. Same time you fall by your left foot. The first basic we've been practiced before, your left hand, your right hand, to make a small circle from left to right like a snake. And suddenly, you find your target and go attack. Both hands. And come back quick. You switching to other side. 1 and 2. You find your target and go. And that's it. So remember your steps. That's it. So you step 1, another follows. 1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect. Let's start the movement number 1 until further. Got ready. Feet together. 1 and 2. Attack. And step right. 1 and 2 and attack. Perfect. After this one, you both hand to make a circle go down, left hand above, same time, over, all the way back. And make step left and power out. You both fingertips. Perfect. And next move, the same. Go to your right side to make circle over your head. Come back to your left side of your waist. Knee lift and big step and attack with your power. With your both finger point. This one also we practiced before, the technique from left over, chin down, the big circle. Come back, your right side of your waist, and your both hand go, attack, and power out by the finger point. Same thing to the other side. You go right over and come back, left side of your waist, and both hand flip over this way and attack and power right here. Great work. Let's go to the next one from the movement number 1 until further. Get ready. Feet together. 1, 2, and power. And 1 and 2 and power. And big circle. 1, 2, power. And 1, 2, and power. After that, you stand up, become fist, and left hand block, and right hand go attack, and the right hand go attack forward, like a snake hand. Also, we've been mentioned this one in the self-defense part, the real application of snake kung fu. So you block and attack the body point, like 1, 2, they use by always together, and block. As soon you get this block and go attack right this part, to test out yourself. If you get this point, everybody lose your power for few seconds, and it's the chance you go attack to win your game, right? So remember that. So block. After you go, boom, 2, right this point, 2, and as soon you get a number 2, the number sway, the strike by snake hand to this part. So you go 1 and 2, sway, and you can make quicker 1, 2, and sway, and you can make it all together 1, 2, sway. Perfect. Let's go from the movement number 1 until further. And your learning is really quick. Follow my step. I guarantee you, you're learning good technique, good kung fu from Sifu JJ. Feet together. 1, 2, attack, power. And 1, 2, and boom, power. Circle, and power. Circle, and power. And go 1, 2, 3. Perfect. After that, you make knee lift hip kick, and down. For this kick should be used to by just followed by 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the 4 move together as a strong combo. We got 1, an attack, an attack, an attack, an attack after. Okay, let's quick to go through from move number 1 until the next move. 1, 2, power. Go 1, 2, and power. Go 1, 2, power. 1, 2, power. And 1, 2, 3, kick. After that, you say you go fist back to waist, and you go attack 45 down. Same time, you go knee down. That is a perfect movement. Just followed by the kick. After you say you twist your hand. Your hand become fist. Your hand become palm. Attack. Boom, down, and also knee down with this part. Remember also we mentioned this is looking for the weak spot right this. You can test out yourself. It's very sore, very weak spot. So you go attack by there. So attack, attack. You can repeatedly training and with your power. Great work. Let's go from the movement number 1 until the end. Got ready. Circle 1, 2, attack. And circle 1, 2, attack. Circle 1, 2, power. 1, 2, power. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this, you stand up. You step your left and your both hand from your right side and go over and step behind your left and cross your both knees and left hand and right hand. High step this way like a snake. Perfect. Let's quick talk about the last move. Last move is a great pose, little requirement with your flexibility. Let's see this one. So 1, this is the left leg, and 2 is right. You cross down. What is the perfect size? You say, if this is the center, you want just behind. And this is the center line, right? You go a little bit over, and you heel up, and you cross your both knees. Left on front, and right. You go down slow, 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 slow. Okay, perfect. Very important note. So once you do this one, the front, the left foot, stay solid on the floor like a rock. Don't move at all. If you go this, you lose balance. So let's say this. You're not gonna have balance because your heel up. Your heel have to stay down like a lute in there. And this one, you must do heel up. So your body stay centered. And you just go down as slow as you can. If you're not, you can stay just right at this point. But if you can, you go down, you go down, and go down. You say, stay like a rock. And this one, heel up. Then stay centered. The 3 things, if you follow, you're good. And you can to make perfect snake pose. Great work. Thank you very much. That's all for today. The snake kung fu new lesson. So I see you in next video. I love you all and bye bye.